In here, we'll explore the Content section in the Content Manager. This is where you can manage all the content created in your app's CMS, allowing you to update, delete, or add new items seamlessly. On the left side of the screen, you'll see all your content tables. Each table represents a different content type that you've set up in the CMS. Simply click on any table to view all the related items. For example, clicking on the News content table will show you all news items stored within. Within each content table, you'll see all the items listed, with an action panel for each item. From here, you can edit or delete individual items. Clicking on Edit opens the item details, allowing you to make changes as needed. Once you've finished editing, remember to click Save Changes to apply your updates. To add a new item, select the appropriate content table, then click on the Add Items button in the top right corner. This will open a form where you can enter details for the new item. Fill out the form fields according to your content specifications. After you've added all necessary details, click Publish to add the new item to the Contents table. Your contents is now live and available in the app. And that's it for managing content in the Content Manager. From editing existing items to publishing new ones, this section provides you with all the tools you need to keep your app's content fresh and engaging.